Red velvet cake is a classic, but have you tried red velvet pastries? They're delightful. Imagine biting into a soft red treat. The cream cheese frosting adds a creamy contrast. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Red velvet gets its iconic color from a special ingredient. We'll get to that later. The color is not just for looks. It adds a slight tang to the sweetness. This makes red velvet truly unique. Before we start baking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find. For our pastries, we'll need plain flour, sugar, cocoa powder, buttermilk, eggs, red food coloring, vanilla extract, baking soda, vinegar, and cream cheese for our frosting. Each ingredient has a special job. Flour gives structure, sugar adds sweetness, cocoa powder provides a subtle chocolate flavor, buttermilk keeps our pastries moist, eggs bind the ingredients, and for that vibrant red hue, red food coloring, of course. Now for the fun part, baking. First, preheat your oven. Mix the flour, sugar, and cocoa powder in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, eggs, red food coloring, and vanilla extract. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. In a separate small bowl, activate the baking soda with vinegar. Add this to the batter. Pour the batter into pastry molds and bake. Once cooled, frost with cream cheese frosting. Enjoy! Here are some tips for perfect red velvet pastries. Make sure your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps them combine evenly. Don't overmix the batter. Overmixing creates tough pastries. Use good quality red food coloring for a vibrant color. Finally, the secret ingredient that gives red velvet its tangy flavor is the reaction between buttermilk and vinegar. It might sound odd, but trust me, it works. So there you have it. Now go ahead and wow your friends and family with